Welcome to my channel. Virgin Media flashing green light, no internet. 1. Check all cables, ensure the coaxial cable, Ethernet cable, and power adapter are securely connected to the Virgin Media hub and wall outlets. 2. Restart the hub, turn off the hub, unplug it from the power outlet, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in to reset the connection. 3. Inspect for service outages, check the Virgin Media service status page or use the Virgin Media app to verify if there are outages in your area. 4. Move the hub, place the hub in a central location, away from walls or electronic devices that might interfere with the signal. 5. Check the router mode, ensure the hub is in router mode, not modem mode, if you're not using a third-party router. Six. Reboot connected devices, restart all devices connected to the Wi-Fi network to refresh their connection to the hub. 7. Perform a pinhole reset, use a pin to press and hold the reset button on the back of the hub for about 30 seconds to restore it to factory settings. 8. Check the Wi-Fi settings, log into the hub's admin panel at 192.168.0.1 to confirm the Wi-Fi settings and ensure they match your device. 9. Test with a wired connection, connect a device directly to the hub using an Ethernet cable to check if the issue is with Wi-Fi or the internet connection. Thank you for watching.